Analyzing the precise structural composition of the Green Revitalizer requires treating the infusion as a highly targeted biochemical matrix. This formulation relies on 5 specific biological inputs: Cucumis sativus, mentha, citrus lemon, Malus domestica, and a honey buffer. This mapping identifies the specific phytochemical utility of each ingredient, providing the blueprint for the extraction process. The first engineering goal is to maximize cellular osmolarity through deliberate ingredient pairing. The second is to maximize nutrient bioavailability during the extraction phase. The third is to achieve a precise organoleptic balance to facilitate biological uptake. Mint and cucumber are selected specifically for their ability to manipulate human neurological hydration mechanics. Strict thermal management protocols will ultimately dictate the efficiency of the final fluid extraction and long-term storage. The resulting output provides higher physiological utility than consuming these individual elements in isolation. Synthesizing this matrix requires precise control over mechanical extraction and nutrient stabilization. This plant matrix utilizes a dual pathway mechanism to achieve hydration. The cucumber provides a high-volume, electrolyte-rich intracellular fluid matrix. Trace electrolytes like potassium and magnesium facilitate rapid osmotic transfer across human cellular membranes. Menthol acts as a ligand for the TRPM8 ion channels in human sensory neurons. This molecular binding simulates a localized temperature drop within the oral cavity. This perceived cooling effect triggers a physiological satiety response. This neurological reaction complements the physical osmotic transfer provided by the cucumber. The mint augments the perception of hydration independently of the actual fluid volume ingested. The green apple serves as the primary carbohydrate energy substrate for the matrix. It introduces essential malic acid and soluble polyphenols into the solution. Lemon juice provides a concentrated source of ascorbic acid. Beyond its nutritional value, ascorbic acid acts as an antioxidant that prevents the enzymatic browning of the apple during extraction. The lemon's titratable acidity creates a low pH environment, needing balance against the Brix index. Apple fructose only partially offsets this. Adding honey, a high-density invert sugar, reaches a stable equilibrium between pH and sweetness without adding excessive volume. This calculated intersection of acidity and Brix levels creates a stable environment that prevents the immediate degradation of the isolated phytochemicals. Mechanical disruption is required to dismantle the cellular compartmentalization of the plant materials. Fully macerating the cucumber and apple breaks through their structural cellulose walls. Mint requires lower shear force. Excessive agitation oxidizes its phenolic compounds, creating a bitter off flavor. Lemon and honey are introduced strictly post-extraction to preserve the structural integrity of the ascorbic acid. Oxidative degradation begins the moment cellular boundaries are destroyed. Once the cells are breached, polyphenol oxidase enzymes become highly reactive as they contact ambient oxygen. Halting this reaction requires an anaerobic, vacuum-tight environment within an opaque vessel. Maintaining the fluid at 4 degrees Celsius is necessary to slow enzymatic activity. The opaque vessel also blocks UV light, preventing the degradation of riboflavin and vitamin C. Minimizing oxygen and maintaining low temperatures arrests enzymatic kinetic activity, preserving the synthesized matrix. The final Green Revitalizer is a chemically stable, osmotically balanced fluid matrix. The cucumber provides base osmotic volume and essential electrolytes. The mint provides menthol ligands for neurological hydration signaling. The apple, lemon, and honey supply metabolic energy while maintaining acid-base balance. Consuming this combination targets both cellular fluid transfer and neurological satiety simultaneously, a dual effect not achieved by eating the ingredients in isolation. Mechanical extraction ensures the successful release of these targeted phytochemicals. Strict anaerobic, low-temperature storage ensures their preservation. Restoring physiological balance per this infusion relies entirely on engineering this specific phytochemical relationship.